Hey folks, how you doing? Papa Joe here. Yeah, a little nighttime view, well, dusk. Where you guys at? There's Mama's two killers. They're waiting on Mama. Scrubby, Bandit, come on, let's go this way. Oh, do a little nighttime evening view of the property for you. This ain't what I brought you out for, but just a little view. Scrap metal bins full. All that stuff's for recycling. There's some over there that's going to be repurposed. You probably can't see it. There's a stack of bricks and stuff over there that we're going to reuse. There's Bandit watering the yard for me. Pond back there. We are starting another little project. Really wasn't one we'd planned on starting. This wall is going to be, fence here is going to be coming down. Not on this project. This was going to be the project that I wanted to do this weekend. But we kind of got sidetracked. Imagine that. See the Texas Rose tag there? That was on our car in Georgia. The motorcycle tags right there above the trash can, the dumpster. That was for our Harley in Georgia. BBTR, Border Bandit, Texas Rose. That was on Mama's car. Oh, then just some other ones we picked up. That guy was about a joke. At least on with him for a little while. This is the project we're in the middle of. That area between the sidewalk and the house, let me step over so you can see the sidewalk. There's the sidewalk, solar lights. That was full of bushes and flowers and all kinds of stuff all the way around. And the white pipe there is for the gutter coming off the house there. That's where the snakes had hid that wound up biting and killing one of Mama's fur babies. So needless to say, she wanted all that stuff to go away, and it did. So we've been debating on what to do with it. And she had an idea of using these gray and red ones, doing a checkerboard and running it around. Now that corner where it's all rounded, we're not sure how we're going to deal with that. So we went down to Lowe's this morning to pick up a few. We had a few, but we're going to pick up a few more, and we find them on sale. With them being on sale and with my veterans discount, we got them at just over half price. So where they're normally $1.38 or something, we're getting them at like 79 cents. So that's just over half price. So needless to say, I have been picking these things up, hauling them in the van, and they're kind of heavy, so I don't get to haul too many at a time. But I'm going to be getting some more. Tomorrow I'll have to make a few more trips. I'm only hauling 32 at a time, 16 of each color. But this is going to go around. Lakota was out here today getting rid of all the grass and stuff. It's got to be raked, leveled, packed. This is what it did look like. See all the weeds. And we have paid him a couple different times to weed this stuff. And we have sprayed it and all kinds of stuff, and this is the way to go. We did those just because there will be a wooden fence comes off this corner. We wanted to see how close stuff was, so him and I have laid them out a couple different times, a couple different ways, not full layouts, to gauge stuff. Not trusting the tape measure and all that. We wanted to lay them out and see what they really laid like. That's the wooden fence I was just showing you. That's going to wind up coming off of there, and between 2 and 3 foot off of the driveway there, 2 to 3 foot high, will be the top of a raised flower bed or garden, because it will wind up with a tomato and type stuff in there as well. So that fence will come down, which will open it up so that when we're on this patio area, we can look over there and see the pond. As you can see now, we don't see nothing but the fence. This fence here that's going up by the corner of the house, it's going to be whatever height that is, which I will say is 4 foot. I haven't measured it, but it looks like a 4 foot fence. We're going to run the same thing across here, because we know that sitting here, I like knowing what's going on around me. I'm going to want to be able to see over it and see who's going down the road. So that's just a little shot of what we're doing. Some of Mama's plants out. There's more of her plants are out. So I figured I'd give you a quick little update. She's ran over to the Family Dollar, I thought. I'm surprised she ain't back yet. So that's what we got going on. I will update this a little bit more tomorrow. Might shoot a little bit of the boys working and whatnot. Don't know how much they'll get done. A lot of work to be done. My thing right now is we got like 2 more days left, 3 days maybe, of these bricks being on sale. So I want to get all I need for that. So that's what we got. All right, just a little update. Look at all them flowers around Mama's tree out there. Some's bushes and some's flowers. Well, matter of fact, there's those that we trimmed down. No, dadgummit, what are they called? Wisteria? Me and Lakota did that one, and that one, those 2. Kept them to about the same height. Where you going, Bandit? Ain't nobody over there. We came out the other door. Those 3 little batches you see right there, those have been dug up about 3 or 4 times, and boy, they just keep coming back. I think Mama's pretty much decided that they're at home right there. So there's our little blue lights that are coming on. They are dusk and dawn type lights. I don't know where we'll go with them. But okay, there you go. Update on what we got going around here. Garden hose got thrown out where it was over here. Gonna have to go somewhere where our brass pot there. And that garden hose. It is what it is. All right, y'all remember, God loves you, so do I. Just keeping you up to date. Have a good evening. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.